For this one, they ask you to take a look at the graph and examine it. It says which statement correctly describes the graph, the function on a given interval. So you actually have to look at each of these and see which one is true. So here between x is -7 and x is -4, you're talking about this spot right here for your x's. So is it decreasing? No, it starts low and it goes up high. So that is a no, it's increasing and nonlinear. I'll switch to blue. Between -4 and 1, from -4 to 1, they say it's increasing and linear. Well, I see that it's stopped. It stayed still. It's just flat. So that would not be true. For the third one, between 1 and 4, so between 1 on the x and 4 on the x, it's increasing and linear. Well, I agree it's increasing, but it does not look like a line. So it must be choice D. Let's go ahead and just confirm that. Between 4 and 11, it is decreasing. It's going down, and it's nonlinear. So it is choice D.